Hi, I'm Chad, and you're watching Squarebody Stuff. What's going on, everybody? This is going to be just kind of a update on what we got going on for the upcoming week. I've got a video going to be coming out of our dyno session with old Squeaky right here this last Friday. I'm putting together a video for that, so be looking for that. But for right now, I've got to get this truck and this truck ready for the truck gathering truck show in Norman, Oklahoma. We're going to be heading out early Friday morning. Going to do a poker run Friday night, and then the car show or the truck show is going to be all day Saturday. So we got a big week ahead of me trying to get these two trucks all cleaned up, and I got to make sure old Maxine, she's ready to tow old Squeaky all the way there. It's about a 5.5 6 hour drive one way. Originally, we were not planning on taking Cream Puff. I was just going to take one truck, but we have a good friend of ours, Buff, with Buff's Garage. Go check out his channel. I'll put a link in the description box below or in the title. Go check out his channel, give him some subscriptions and all that stuff. But he didn't have a truck ready to go. Things come up, his truck wasn't ready to go, but he had it. Registration sticker and all that stuff. So he hit me up, said, hey, do you have an extra truck you want to put in the show? I said, sure, come get Cream Puff. He's going to drive here. He's from Kansas somewhere, so he's going to drive here Thursday, stay the night with us, and we're going to hang out a little bit. And then Friday morning, he's going to jump in Cream Puff, drive him to Norman, Oklahoma. Me and Mrs. Squarebody, or Mrs. Squarebody and I, to use a little bit of proper grammar, are going to be taking Squeaky and Maxine, or Maxine and Squeaky, all the way there. And I think we're going to meet up at some point in time with Jacob with Busted Grill Garage. Go check out his channel also. He's going to have his orange K10 short bed he's taking to the truck show. So yeah, we've got a lot of stuff going on this week, trying to get things ready. I'm not going to show any videos of cleaning these things up. Oh, Cream Puff he's just been my daily driver, so he's got a lot of daily driving, grinding stuff to get cleaned off of him. And if I have time, I might even take a buffer out and kind of buff him up a little bit. But we got to get these trucks cleaned up. Squeaky's pretty well ready to go as far as running and driving and all that stuff. I just got to put his street shoes back on him. I'll be putting 37s and the other tires, you know, the Hurricanes and stuff on him, and I got to put the street exhaust back on him. And so he's ready to go. He's actually dyno tuned, ready for action. So check out that video coming out later this week. I've got a lot of footage to go through to get that video ready. So yeah, it's going to be a big one. It may be a little bit long, but it's going to have a lot of cool stuff in it. And those of you that are not familiar with my trucks, this is Cream Puff, my 79 C10. Yeah, not a whole lot real special with this truck. Just a 350 underneath the hood, turbo 400. 276 gears with 33-inch 1250s on the back, so he's a really high geared, great cruising truck. Inside kind of takes you back to the 80s, because that's how I've kind of put this truck together, what I remember the trucks as back in the 80s when I was a kid. So I think Buff's going to have a good ride. I hope he enjoys the ride. I hope Cream Puff does good for him. Old Squeaky over there, he's a 78 C10 step side, obviously. He's got a lot of stuff done to him, so go check out his playlist and see what all I've got going on with this truck. Right now, 454 underneath the hood, SM 465 4-speed, a 14-bolt rear end with 488 gears, and 150 shot of nitrous loaded up in him. Like I said, we done a dyno test on him. Everything turned out great. We did have a few issues that I'm gonna have to resolve on down the road, but it didn't affect the dyno part of it. We had to kind of bypass the ignition box because it for some reason crapped out on us. But go check out that video when I get it done. And yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. To all the long-term fans or even the short-term fans, or if you're just new to this channel and just picking up this video as the first time seeing this channel, come check us out. We will be at Norman, Oklahoma at the truck gathering. If you're on Facebook, there's a lot of stuff on there on Facebook. Check out, just go to the truck gathering. type that in and you'll find some information on it. We will have both our trucks there. We will have a little bit of merch. We're not really stacked up on a lot of inventory of merch, but I'll have some stickers, a few hats left, and I got some t-shirts left that we'll have there. So, but I would really love to just see some fans come out, check out the trucks. There's going to be 500 trucks there. They were sold out. They had 500 entrants, so it's going to be one heck of a show. It's going to be everything. I think that I can't remember what year the cutoff was, 90s or 2000s on down. Awesome show. Mike Pinnell, thank you for putting on this show. The venue is at a Chevy dealership. I don't remember the name of it right off the top of my head, but thank you guys for putting that show, or giving us the venue to put this show on. So I'm gonna cut this off. I got some cleaning up to do, and yeah. So until next time, y'all keep your square bodies rolling. We'll catch you later.